How to mask in Affinity. Let's get into it. In this example, we're going to be masking out the background of this image. To do this, we need to come over to the selection tool and select the selection brush tool, set the mode to add, change the width of the brush to one of your liking for your project. I recommend enabling snap to edges and soft edges. With your brush set up, you can then start painting around your subject. If you've overpainted anywhere like I have here, you can set your brush to subtract, zoom in on those areas and then just repaint over them to fix the problem. You can then refine this selection further by coming up to refine. This is going to open up this window here. I'm going to set my preview to black matte so I can see the edges better. As we can see here for my example, I've still got a little bit of the green here. These settings allow you to refine the edges of your selection to get it perfect. I recommend enabling matte edges. To fix outlines like this, we can come down into the adjustment brush. Next, zoom in over the edges that you need to fix and just start painting over these edges like so. Next, I recommend enabling color decontamination. This is just going to further refine those colors around the edges. Once you're happy, come down to output and select new decontaminated layer with mask and then choose apply. Next, come up to your layers panel and disable your original layer, and then you will see that you have your layer with a layer mask enabled and we've masked out that background, and that's all there is to it.